Wow, you're keeping me in line pretty well. I don't even remember ordering this feature. Maybe Nicole knows about this.
Hey Daniel, how's it going? Feeling a little off track today?
On the contrary, I'm right between the lines, but I don't know why. Because I don't remember ordering a lane assist feature.
That's entirely possible, Daniel. So in Europe, all cars have to come with lane assist. So anything released after July 6, 2022 is going to come with this feature.
But the Taigo is from 2021. Does it have the lane assist anyway?
That's a very good point, Daniel, and you're correct. The Taigo is actually exempt from this rule until 2024. After that, all new generations of this vehicle are going to have to ship with lane assist. Having said that, the Taigo already ships with lane assist as a standard feature.
How exemplary! Is there anything I should know about? How do I operate the system?
So you actually don't have to do anything. When you turn on the car, it starts automatically. And when you're driving down the road, it's going to assist you within the limits of the system. So meaning wherever possible, it's going to keep you in the lane.
Well, that's quite simple.
You can also turn it off by simply pressing the assistance key on the turn signal lever. Select Lane Assist and confirm by pressing OK. The next time you start the engine, Lane Assist will activate itself due to regulations.
Perfect. This way I can't forget to turn it on. Thanks, Nicole.
No problem, Daniel. Anytime. I'm going to get back to my hike now in the Amazon forest here in Brazil.
Bye.
Volkswagen.